Okay, so just like to give you a brief overview of the CARE Graduate School. So this is a graduate school on cancer aging and rejuvenation. I'm the deputy director of this graduate school. Philippe Vallée is the director of this school. So this school has been granted for more than 3 million euros for 8 years. So what is CARE? CARE is a transdisciplinary international education program starting from master degree to PhD. And the aim of CARE is to combine mathematics, computer sciences, physics, chemistry, and biology, dedicated to biomedical research, and especially in the field of cancer aging and rejuvenation. You have, of course, all the details on the CARE Graduate School internet link, so you can visit the website. So this is based on a tight network with international academic partner. And we are willing, of course, to welcome new partners if possible. And also we have a non-academic partnership. So I just want to give you a brief overview on the main actions of CARE. So so far we have 119 students enrolled in this program. So 60 master students, master 1 and 2 academic transdisciplinary courses in English. And this is done in alternance with internship in academic and non-academic laboratories. So we offer scholarship for international students. So we enrolled so far 59 PhD students. So we were able to grant 10 PhD students for 3 years. And of course, these PhD students work on transdisciplinary projects. So we also can offer, in the framework of the CARE Graduate School, some internship abroad for 3 to 6 months. And this is in the context of the CARE network. So we can offer the travel and accommodation fees. And also we have some grants to welcome international students in Toulouse for a 3 to 6 months stay. And we organize each year, every year, a summer school on medicine, so on drug discovery from target to market. So this year, this will be organized in July, first week of July, together with the University of Montreal, Barcelona, and Sao Paulo. Very important point in the context of CARE is to set up what we do call the peer teaching, meaning that PhD students are really part of the teaching program of CARE. So for instance, we expect the supervision of master students by PhD students for the internship in the labs. And also we expect that the PhD students from the CARE Graduate School organize workshops for master and PhD students. And of course, those workshops, such as the workshop of today, are open to all the scientific community. We also will to welcome international teachers and researchers. So far, we funded 9 teachers and researchers to be part of these international courses. So we paid travel and accommodation costs for teaching period from 1 day to 1 week. So thank you very much indeed for your attention, and thank you for being here. And I'd like to take the opportunity to thank once again the organizers for the workshop, and also for all the speakers, especially those who came from abroad. Thank you very much. Visions around you.